Hey guys, welcome to My Sport, your cooking channel, where we share easy and delicious recipes. And in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to make peppered gizzard and Gizdodo all together. So guys, let's jump right into it. So guys, we are starting off with our gizzard. Go on and pour your well-washed gizzard into a pot. I just brought mine out from the freezer. As you can see, it's still blocked, but don't worry, it's over fine. So at this point, go in with your salt and some dry thyme. Basically season with your favorite seasonings, okay? We've added some garlic powder, now ginger powder and your seasoning, okay? Now we are going in with some diced onions. It is important you season your meat to make it come out tasty. Alright guys, moving on to the next step. Here we got some flavor builders, spring onions and green bell pepper. This is fresh basil leaves and celeries. And they are going to serve as our flavor booster. So guys, do not sleep on this one, okay? Don't skip it. Alright guys, we're going to cut them up, okay, and blend. And for those of you who have not been taking it serious when it comes to flavors building, guys, it is very important that you start putting it into consideration, because it's not just only going to make your meal flavorful, it is also very healthy to our body system. So please do consider it, especially when making dishes like this, stew, pasta, all those flavorful dishes. Yes. Please, if this is your first time coming across my video, you're welcome to My Sport. This channel is all about cooking, baking, everything edible basically. So please do want to be part of this amazing family by subscribing. Hit that subscription button for me and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos, okay? Thank you so much. Alright guys, at this point we're done. So moving on to our bell peppers and white onions for garnishing. Yes. So in here we've got the green, the yellow, and the red bell peppers, and one medium-sized white onions. Okay, you can use red onions, whichever one you have, okay, and you can as well increase it. It is just on you. So guys, we are cutting them up just like you're watching me. Feel free to cut to any size or shape you want. And at this point, guys, we're done cutting. I always like separating my onions this way. Yes. Can you see the colors? So amazing. All right, guys, let's put it aside. Okay, now moving on to the next step. So guys, you'll be needing some fresh tomatoes. Yes, like 8 medium size of it. Here we've got some Scotch bonnet, 2 very hot. Yes, so you go ahead and deseed your tomatoes, and the next thing is to blend. Transfer in your blender. Now go in with some ginger and garlic, very important. Now go in with the fresh herbs, the one we sliced earlier, okay? Guys, with all these ingredients, you're good to go. You're good to having a very tasty, flavorful Gizdodo or peppered gizzard. Yes, so now fasten on your blender and blend it very smooth, okay? Now moving on to the next step. This is us checking back on our meat, our gizzard, guys. And at this point, we're going to add more water and continue cooking until it is soft and tender, okay? Now, this is us checking back again, and at this point, guys, our gizzard is well cooked, okay? So take it off the heat, sieve it, and set aside. Remember to store the stock, okay? Don't throw it away. Now, moving on to the next step, it is time to fry. Please feel free to skip this step if you still want your gizzard soft and you don't want to, go through the frying process. It is still fine. All right. So guys, we are checking on our gizzard. And at this point, guys, it is perfect. Yes, just the way I want it. Okay. Now let's scoop it off the oil. Please let me seize this medium to say a very big thank you to my newest and returning subscribers, the kings and the queens of this amazing family. Guys, your girl is very grateful. Please keep up the good work, okay? Thank you. Alright guys, in that same oil, go in with your sliced plantain. Yes, this is if you want to make Gizdodo. Yes, you need plantain. Okay, so go on and adjust it. This is us checking back, and at this point, it is set. We are going to scoop it off the oil, okay? Remember, we are making peppered gizzard and also Gizdodo. Yes, when you hear Gizdodo, it means gizzard and plantain mixed together. Just keep watching to see how everything turns out. Okay? Alright guys, we've come to the final stage. Okay, so in a pan, go in with some oil, your vegetable oil, followed by your diced onions. Afterwards, give it a quick stir and allow to fry for a minute. So guys, this is after a minute. Go in with your dry thyme and nicely stir. It is time to introduce our blended pepper mixture. Okay, once you've added it, go on and stir to well combine. So we're going to allow it fry until dry. Alright, this is us checking back again, but not completely dry. We are going to fry some more. Now go in with some salt and some seasoning and stir that in. Alright guys, let's allow it fry for a minute again. And this is after a minute and it is ready. Let's test for salt, guys. It is perfect. Now this is me scooping some. Yes, I love eating it with yam or my grilled fish. So guys, bear with me. Now go in with the fried gizzard and stir to well combine. Afterwards, garnish it up with some of the bell peppers and the onions. Guys, this is our peppered gizzard almost ready. Please give it a nice stir. Oh my, this is looking good. So yummy. Yes. I'm going to allow it to simmer for just a minute. And this is after a minute, guys. It is set. So ready. Tell me you are not salivating where you are right now. So this is our peppered gizzard ready. Okay, guys. Now, let's take it out the heat and move on to the next step. So guys, if you want to make Gizdodo, it is simple. Yes. Once your peppered gizzard is ready, just go on and pour the fried plantain into it. And afterwards, go on and stir to well combine. This is after a minute, guys. Go in with the remaining bell peppers and onions and nicely stir again. Oh my word, my whole kitchen smells nice. The aroma here, oh my gosh. Guys, this dish is very flavorful and it tastes so good. Guys, it's a must try. Yes. If you're not making it now, save it, okay? Festive period is around the corner. Yeah. This is one of my favorite meal that I do not joke with. Yes. And if you love plantain, this recipe is for you. Yes, give it a try. You will love it. Your family will definitely do. So guys, you give it a go and let me know how it turned out for you in the comment section. Also, remember to share to your friends, families, and loved ones for them to try it out. Thank you. So now it is time to plate our meal. So this is me dishing our Gizdodo out. Yes. Oh my, this is looking good. And guys, it tastes so good. Please give it a go. I wish you guys can have a taste of it. It tastes super good. Alright guys, we've come to the end of today's cooking, and if you found it interesting, please give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe, and leave me a valuable feedback. Until next time, keep cooking, keep smiling. Bye.